What's up? Is your man Jimmy Chan. All right, so I need to write this fraction here in a plus bi form. Well, here's the problem. Is that this right here, this fraction, I can't write in a plus bi form because there's i's in the denominator, and I can't have i's in the denominator just like I can't have radicals in the denominator. So in radicals, I would rationalize the denominator, so this is what I'm going to do here as well. So how do I rationalize the denominator? Well, anytime I have a binomial in the denominator, I have to multiply by its conjugate to get rid of the I. The I in the numerator is all set. They're allowed to be there. It is the denominator that they're not allowed to be in. So if it's a binomial, conjugates. Okay? So that means I have to, first of all, let's put parentheses around here. I have to multiply this bottom by its conjugate because that I doesn't belong there. So if I multiply the bottom by its conjugate, I have to multiply the top by the same binomial. All right. So the top, I'm going to have to FOIL. The bottom, because they're conjugates, you can actually flip. Because in the FOIL aspect, the oi actually falls out, leaving you with first and last, which would be fl. Okay, that's the only way I know how to pronounce it. But I'll go ahead and FOIL the top and the bottom for you so that you guys can see exactly what's going on here. Okay, when I FOIL the top, I'm going to get negative 8 plus 12i plus, let's see what 36 times 4 is. That's 144. And then minus 36 times 6, which is 216i squared. And the bottom, when I FOIL that out, I'm going to have 16 minus 24i plus 24i minus 36i squared. Okay? Now, if we were to look at this piece right here, right, what does that actually say? That actually says it's going to be negative 216 times a negative 1 because I squared is equal to negative 1. So this is actually going to be a positive 216. Same thing here. Okay, I'm going to have a negative 36 times a negative 1 because I squared is equal to negative 1. So this is actually going to be plus 36. Okay, so let's go ahead and rewrite the bottom, but let's group those like terms for me. So I'm going to have a negative 8 plus the 216 and plus the 12i plus the 144i. And the bottom, now notice since I FOILed, right, notice what happened. My outer and my inner went away, which to me, doesn't this spell oi? That's why I said the oi falls away. So if oi falls away, what do I have left? I only have first and last left, right? So that's why I said all you got to do is flip. All right? All right, so anyways, the bottom is going to be a 16 plus 36. All right, well, let's take a look. Let's go and combine like terms here, and let's bring it up here. So the top is going to be negative 8 plus 216, which gives me 208 plus 156i, and it's going to be all over 52i. I'm sorry, 52, no I, just 52. So let's take a look at if there's any numbers that go into all three of these numbers here, because I have a triangle here. So let's see if there's any number that goes into 52, 208, and 156. Actually, there is. And the number that goes into all three Guess what it is? Guess what it is? Actually, let me do this first. Shrink that fraction. And that's fine. Oh. What goes into all three is 52. 52 goes into 52. Once, goes into 208 4 times, and goes into 156 3 times. So my end result is going to be, now the denominator is 1, so I don't really need that anymore, so I'm going to have a 4 plus 3i. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be choice B. And there we go. Hope that helps. Any questions? Let me know. See ya. Bye.